Hi guys, want to learn AWS without spending a single dollar, single penny, no credit card, no hidden fees. You just have to apply and you have to enroll and you have to start learning and building on those labs. So, AWS just launched 10 free labs, and these labs are available on Skill Builder. You can go and register to these labs and you can start building and learning the core services. So today we will break down step by step on how you can go and enroll into these labs and how you can start learning AWS about AWS core services without spending even a single penny. So without any further ado, let's get started and stay tuned till the end so you can know how you can enroll and how you can start learning. So first of all, I'll share the link in the description box. So you can go here and you can see that it says Introduction to AWS Builder Labs Learning Plan. And over here you can see that it says that this access is available till 2nd November 2025, and it is providing access to various AWS services such as EC2, IAM, Simple Storage Service, VPC, and some other services as well. So it says enroll to get started with this learning plan. So we will click on sign up or sign in to enroll. So in case if you don't have a login, you can click on sign up, and if you already have a builder ID or a builder login, you can just click on sign in. So let's click on create or sign in. And once you click on that particular button, you are going to land on this page. And you have to sign in with your credentials. I've already signed in earlier, so it is showing me this way. And you can see that there are different labs which you can start learning. So this is the builder lab which is talking about VPC. So you can start with VPC, which is how you will learn about the networking in AWS. Then EC2, then S3, then IAM, then also AWS key management services. KMS is also covered in this particular lab, which you can build on for free. Then Amazon CloudFront, which is a content delivery service. Then Amazon DynamoDB, which is database in AWS. Then AWS Lambda API gateway. Then also you can learn by performing on this particular lab the basic audit of your AWS environment. So these are some very interesting labs in order to start with your AWS journey. So you can go and you can enroll on these labs. So let's say I click here. I have already enrolled. So you go to training. So once you click on go to training, let's see how it works. So it will open up this page for us. And once you click here, so this is the lab. Let's click on resume. So it will take you to this page. In this page, they have given you the lab overview, the objectives that you will be achieving once you complete this particular lab. And then you need to click on start lab button and you have to choose open console. And once you go there, you have to start the lab. You have to start performing the steps. And you can see that they have very nicely defined the task that you have to complete step by step. So task one, it says is create an Amazon VPC, and they have also given you steps what you need to enter, how you need to create. All those things are defined here. Then they have also given you task 2, which is to explore the VPC. Once you have created the VPC, you can explore it, you can go in depth and read about it, and you can try to understand what all is happening and how these things are working out. So you have to click on start lab here, accept terms and conditions. You click on start lab and it will redirect us to that particular page. So we'll click on open console. So it is setting up things for us on AWS console. In the services, you can go to VPC, since we are doing VPC lab, and you can follow the steps that are mentioned here. So these are the steps that are mentioned. So we have clicked on, we have searched VPC in our AWS Management Console search bar. Then it says choose create VPC. So once this comes up, we are going to click on create VPC. So create VPC option is there. You can click on create VPC, and from here on you can go and follow all these steps, and you can complete the lab. So this is something that you can do, and this is a very interesting lab hands-on exercise that you can do. And not only one labs, there are several labs that they are providing you. So I've already shown you, like, once you complete this lab, then you can go to another lab and you can start building on top of it. So you will start learning all these services. So this is a very interesting thing that is being provided by AWS, and keep in mind that this is available only till 2nd of November. So make sure that you go and make use of this, and all the best for your journey. And do let me know in the comments that you're going to try which lab for the first time. So all the best, and let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section, and I'll definitely try to answer all those queries. Thank you.